on there. Cat, you can afford your own paper if you just get a job. Just, Phoebe, get a job. I know that they might not hire cats, but if you find a job, they might. Well, if cats can write, but still, you can have a job as long as you get off that paper. Okay? Phoebe, will I have to cut this off? Well, I'll have to take you up here. Okay, now I can resume. And I can resume to my coloring now. Yay! Well, at least I have Phoebe to not do that. Well, at least Phoebe is not doing that anymore. Hazel! You need to get a job too! How will I let my kitties get a job? Well, they can always work at Walmart or the dollar store as long as they're over the age of 18. With Hazel is only 5 in cat years, but Phoebe's older. At least I found it. Yay!